I've been wanting to try a square filed chain for a little while now, and I thought I have a couple identical chains from these saws from the $100 chainsaw shootout, and I thought, well, I'll round file one and I will square file the other and put them head to head and see how my files work in the wood. So the first is the round file. These are 325 pitch chains, so it's a 7/32 round file, and you can see here the results of that. And this is the 325 pitch square file with a double bevel file. It's my first time doing it, so I'm sure it doesn't look perfect to anybody who knows what they're doing, but this is what I got, and we'll put them to the test head to head. That was the round file, 3 cuts. Here's the average of the 3. And now I'll swap it out, put the square file chain on, and see how that compares.